Hi Vidhi, no one are there in the class.
ये गरम कपड़े के लिए है। आराम से बेटा। सॉरी। 3 बैग ले रही सही कर लो मामा। विंडो खोलो जरा मस्त हवा ए एसी मत
Hi. Hello. 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 Sure.
Sir, when class started?
हाँ
ब्लूटूथ लगा लो
हाँ जी
Sir, when class started, sir?
whose class started? It's my class, no? Okay, okay. How was the paper, first paper? Yeah, I just want to talk to you all. That's why this session I kept it specially for this one. So first paper you attempted, how was the paper? How you have done? What's the problem you faced there? Okay. Any other issues? Any paper that is any questions that is still pending there? Books मेरा इधर कर देना चाहिए पानी अंदर आ
नहीं आएगा
इधर कर देंगे तो पानी नहीं गिरेगा ना उधर मूव कर दो बस ऐसा रहेगा हम्म sure.
Afternoon, sir.
Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Let other students also come and join. 30 students in the 25 have joined. What happened from morning to evening? You are not in a position to take the classes.
Good evening, sir.
पेपर कैसा था? How was the paper? Good evening. पेपर खूबसूरत था, अच्छा था, ये नहीं बोलना. पेपर इजी था, पेपर सॉल्वेबल था. Any other thing like that? Speak that.
It was normal, sir. Not hard, not easy.
So slowly, the first exam, if you make it very tight, na, then you will run away na, on the first day. So that is the reason. Slowly, the toughness will increases. Slowly, toughness increases so that you become more and more stronger day by day. That's what. with respect to
Preparation time was very less.
Time is very less, sir.
Yeah, time taking
Preparation
questions
time.
will come on the way in the future also. See, for reading itself, it take more time, and understanding it take more time. For solving and ticking them, if you have a doubt, rechecking again. So time-consuming questions will be coming in the NEET exam. Always in the NEET exam, time-consuming questions are always present. So हम लोग आपको इतना टाइम वेस्ट करवाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So you have to preserve it. You have to find out a method to solve it within stipulated time. So these things you are going to practice in the weekend examinations, which is conducted every week here. Understand? So your time management आपको सिखा रहे हैं एक तरह से. मतलब आपके पेपर है 180 मार्क्स 180 मिनट्स, लेकिन आपकी पेपर आपको जो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, द न्यू स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ दे कम एंड दे start solving this, they take double the amount of time, not 180 minutes. It will be around 360 minutes of time they take. Such a paper will be habituated for you, so that in the future it will be easy for you to solve the things. So this will be a practice for you all the people in the future there. That is, paper will be slowly becoming more and more and more complex. If any student says still even the complex paper, they say it is easy, that the student's preparation is very excellent.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So,
Good afternoon, sir.
in the paper,
Good afternoon, sir.
any question, any doubts in the paper? Rudrat is ready. Kindly mute. If some noise is there, kindly mute. Okay. So, hi students. If any doubts in the doubts are there in the question paper, so kindly let me know. See, children, the PPT, sorry, the क्या बोलते हैं, DPTs, DPPs. So DPPs that you have for the topics and solving them. How many DPPs are there for biomolecules? Hello. Anyhow, so I'm going to discuss the paper very quickly and very in short. Okay. So putting the question,
9 DPP, sir.
kindly analyze it, because this is only 30 to 35 minutes of time we have. So we cannot go and I cannot teach you something new here.
Sir, it is a IPE session.
Huh?
It is the IPE class.
Listen. बेटा मैं आपको एक चीज आप बार-बार बता रहा हूँ. I'm telling you again now. See, my classes, okay, my classes includes, okay, your regular sessions first of all, because your time is not sufficient. Regular sessions, your time is not sufficient for covering the NEET syllabus here. Number one. Okay, that one extra class that I have asked is, it is instructed me whether if I can dedicate it for this or not. What is your IPE syllabus for your first exam part test? Please tell me. Anyone? What is the syllabus? It is enzymes, right? Right or wrong? Kindly check, guys. What is your IPE syllabus for the part test 1 on 13th July? 13th July or some other date, that is 21, maybe. Not. Kindly check the date and check the syllabus.
Sir, there are 9 DPPs for the biomolecules topic, sir.
Okay, 9 DPPs, it's okay. So from that is starting to the nucleic acids, how many DPPs are covered? Tell me.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
I'm also asking IPE. Somebody was asking, somebody have a confusion in IPE when I'm talking to you something. See, 1 hour का क्लास होगी तो IPE, 2 hour का क्लास होगी तो NEET, ऐसा नहीं होता है. The syllabus which is included, see the syllabus I am discussing here is a part of your biomolecules, number one, right? What is the topic for your IPE, which is the test going to be
Sir,
conducted?
structural organization in animals and basics of animal kingdom and animal tissue, sir, syllabus.
What and what? First examination?
Yes, sir.
No, kindly check. 13 July 21.
Yes, sir, the same one.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Kindly check, it is enzymes. Kindly check first of all.
Yes, sir. Checked it is a structural organization in animals, sir.
Structural.
Organization in animals.
My syllabus, my prepared syllabus, how it is like this. Just a moment. Fine, I will discuss. Listen. So whatever topics are there, those topics will be anyhow. See, this is biomolecule के बाद क्या होगा? Structural organization. Next topic. So the topic is continuous. We are starting discussing the points of IPE.
So the
and it
included
is followed.
biomolecules, structural organization, digestion, and absorption.
Pardon? These three are included.
No, sir. No. Only structural organization in animals and basics of animal kingdom and animal tissue.
Animal kingdom, basics of animal kingdom,
And animal tissues.
animal tissues, and structural organization, right?
Yes, sir.
So these are part of your IP syllabus, right? Fine, fine. Yeah, it will be covered now within 2 to 3 weeks. It will be covered. Within 2 weeks, we can complete this one, and we can start the structural organization, which includes animal tissues and cockroach. These things we can cover it anyhow, right? Anyhow, so see children, don't get a confusion. See, whenever we complete our syllabus in advance, the rest of the time we are using it for discussing IPE, the part. See children, suddenly we cannot leave a topic in between and go to some other topic to jump there and discuss that one. It will be little difficulty also. So what is my program and my planning here is, I'm touching those topics which are included for your examination, which are continuous to biomolecules here now. So that topic anyhow will be discussed to the board level and will be told to you, sir, this is the question, this is the question, you got your material, right? So after completing the topic for the NEET, your problems of 90% of problems of your IPE will be solved there itself here. One or two questions which may be a little bit difficulty for you, it will be solved when you put a questions there. Understand? So don't get worried and don't differentiate. See, other subject teachers, what they do, it is their will and wish, that is their method of completing. This is my method of completing. Follow my instructions in my classroom, right children? I don't do any harm for any students. It will be very helpful, and I will be seeing that the things, the syllabus that is covered for them will be at any cost covered. See, last week Sunday, if syllabus is not getting completed, I've taken an extra class in it right now. So the same here children. I don't leave you people that simply आप लोग को पूरी हवा में छोड़ के भाई तुम अपना देख लो बोल के नहीं करूंगा. I will stay with you until you solve your problem and your problem is rectified there. So don't get worried. Shall we start something? I think it's a time for you. We have less time, so it's a paper discussion. First paper, your discussion. I'm saying reading out the question, and I'm saying you have to say the answer. If anyone have a doubt, they can raise a hand there. Symbol is there. If a question is a doubt for them, they can raise so that I will explain that one. Understand? Is it clear?
Sir, nucleic acid 2 DPP, sir.
Huh?
2 DPP, sir. Nucleic acid.
For
Nucleic acid.
not new, I'm asking carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, lipids, and nucleic acids.
6 DPs.
First one is introduction, sir.
So now what you have to, introduction part will also be there. So 1 to 3 DPPs has to be completed, including each and every question. If everybody has to complete. This is the work for you children for tomorrow. By tomorrow you must be ready. When we are going to start our class on the first day, that is on Thursday, right? The first class on Thursday. On the day, your 6 DPPs must be completed because this is the portion included for you in the examination. Do it successfully, then what is the advantage? Let me tell you. I have one more sheet with me which has a biomolecules, that questions and question bank. That I'm going to share it to you in your this one Telegram link there, so that you can download it and you can print it and you can solve it. You can put a questions there. And I'm also planning to prepare a Google form, Google sheet there, Google form. Okay, so in that Google form, what you can just total number of questions are added and response, everything was added there. You can just start solving. I'm preparing it. So it will be one kind of practice for you within that time. I'm going to put a time limit also for that. Okay.
Sir, in sixth DPP, it's divided into two sections, sir. One is section E and section F. Section F consists of enzymes, sir.
Yeah, last enzymes part ko chhod ke baki sab everything, right?
Okay.
Fine. So question number 136 in your zoology, here in our paper in zoology part will starts from question number 136, children. 136 to question 180. I have left this for you so that you will experience it. Okay. Question number 136, pigments, alkaloids, essential oils, rubber, gum, terpenoids, called secondary metabolites because okay, so they are not involved in primary metabolism. Like you don't have a paper.
We have, sir.
We have, sir.
Okay, fine then. So it has no direct connection. Sorry, it has not involved in primary metabolism like respiration, photosynthesis, protein, and lipid metabolism. At the same time, they don't have any direct role in growth and development. They are mostly secretory and excretory products of those plants. So D can be taken as an answer. Question number 136. D is an answer. Any doubts?
No, sir. No doubt.
137. Two elements needed for building healthy teeth. The teeth में क्या क्या होती है बताइए?
Calcium and phosphorus.
Calcium as well as
Calcium, phosphorus.
Okay, so obviously C will be an answer for that, right? Any doubt? 139,
No doubt.
138.
No doubt, sir.
Which is the example of secondary metabolite?
Protein.
Sir.
Protein.
Protein.
Protein. C is an answer. 138. 139. Water is most abundant substance in all organism. Next to water, the major component is
Protein.
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 an answer.
Protein.
Protein.
140. Which of the following compound is most abundant by
Water.
and
Water.
spontaneous?
Water.
Water, sir. 70 to 90%.
70 to 80. That is approximately D is an answer. 141. Decreasing order of amount of organic compound in animal body. Organic means hydrocarbons. Decreasing quantity in animal body. Starts with
Protein.
Option
Sir.
C, sir.
C.
Option C, sir. Option C.
Option C, sir.
decreasing order.
Sir, this whole class is going to be paper discussion.
Carbohydrates, fat. C will be an answer for that. Any doubts?
Sir, this class totally is a paper discussion class.
Why? Any problem?
No, sir, just ask.
See, listen. We have already, you people joined 10 minutes later. It's a 1 hour of class. And it takes some more, little more time. If time is quickly completed. See, paper discussion is also a mandatory aspect here, children. All questions will not be discussed here. Okay. We will be putting the question. If you say the answer, then the question will be skipped here. Any student have a doubt, they can raise the hand. So that will be discussed. Understand? This is like this here. So you can slowly, you can quickly skip the questions and we can go further. So paper you want me to send, I have to download it and I have to get it, I guess. I'll do one thing, 1 second after.
Sir, I have a paper sent in Telegram.
No, I'm sending it in the Telegram. Just a moment, wait a moment. Yeah, I'm sending it. You can get it. I think I have sent it here. Kindly
Yes,
receive.
sir.
Got it?
One minute.
Got it. Received, sir.
142. Big 4 elements of protoplasm are? Quickly, you can say the answer. Carbon,
Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen,
nitrogen. These are the elements. So D is an answer. 143. Substance forming 70% part of cytoplasm in cell is a
Water.
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 A dominant
Sir, it's clear.
intracellular cation.
Potassium.
Yes, K plus ion.
Potassium.
See, if you have done a right one for the paper, so put a +4. If you have done a wrong one, if you attempted wrong, put -1 for this one. Okay. Like this, I will be asking your total score in the last. You have to send a chart immediately within 1 minute of time. So kindly calculate now onwards. 145 during analysis of inorganic what are inorganic compounds? Elements. Elements means sodium, potassium, calcium.
Calcium and magnesium.
So answer will be D here. You can
C, sir.
Option C, sir.
sorry. Sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. So C is an answer here in question number 145. 146. A piece of living tissue was grounded. Okay, and what is the point? The retentate was subjected for chemical analysis. Which of the following molecule found in retentate would have molecular weight less than 800 Daltons?
Lipids.
Lipids. Answer is
Lipids.
Option
so
B.
I have told you now 147. This is a compulsory question. I told you now 147. What is H? This is R group is replaced by H is glycine.
Glycine.
This is amino acid. And which is replaced by CH3, that is alanine.
Alanine.
Alanine, sir.
And similarly CH2OH. Serine. Okay. Yes, I told you, given a shortcut form already. So this is a sequence of glycine, alanine, and serine. A is an answer.
Yes, sir.
148. No cell could live without
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Protein.
Chloroplast, sir.
Protein, sir.
proteins. Every cell is responsible for protein synthesis. So 149, an amino acid has the following structure. Which two groups combine to form the peptide linkage, children?
1,3 peptide linkage, sir.
1,3.
1,3. 1 is a place of amine group, right? H2N, as well as 3 is a group of carboxyl. So हमेशा पहली amino acid की carboxyl group और दूसरी new amino acids amine group will share a bond by losing a water, forming a bond, we call it a peptide. So it is 1,3. Here is an answer. Question number 150. What is the answer? Casein contained in milk.
It's a protein, sir.
Protein.
Protein.
Milk protein, children. Casein
Protein, sir.
milk protein. Right. Most abundant protein in human body is
Collagen.
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 Collagen. 150.
Rubisco.
Okay, 152.
Rubisco, sir.
Rubisco. Biosphere.
Rubisco.
153. The formation of protein can be considered as
Dehydration synthesis, sir.
Dehydration
or
synthesis.
analysis. Dehydration synthesis or analysis?
Synthesis, sir. Breakdown.
Synthesis.
Dehydration synthesis. This is, I think, a question in your this one, I think, DPP, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
150. You people have asked me in
Sheets,
Telegram, I think, right? 150.
There is sheets,
There
sir.
is a first amino acid and last amino acid. What is X and what is Y? Both X and Y are either C-terminal or Y N-terminal. That is wrong. Both X and Y are C-terminal is wrong. X is N-terminal and Y is C-terminal. This is right, I think. Right, children?
Yes, sir. X is N-terminal, Y is C-terminal.
Answer is C, yeah.
Yes, sir.
And 155, proteins are polypeptides or polymers made up of
20 types of
20
monomers,
types,
sir.
sir. 20 types.
types of monomer amino acids. So what you have to take into consideration, major type of proteins, amino acids which are present in the living system, especially 20 amino acids. 10 are essential, 10 are non-essential. 2 of them are semi-essential. 156, chitin is a
Nitrogen containing polysaccharide.
nitrogen containing
Polysaccharide.
Polysaccharide.
Polysaccharide, sir.
yes, polysaccharide. We call it a glucosamine. Exactly चाहिए तो glucosamine, N-glucosamine. Nitrogen containing Glucosamine is amino sugar. This is amino sugar. It is a derivative monosaccharide. It is a derivative monosaccharide. Of course, the bonding between them is beta 1,4 glycoside. Right? And 157, Benedict solution is not reduced by sucrose. Be the answer. 158, most abundant molecules of nature is
Cellulose.
cellulose. That's fine. Very good. Nature में सबसे ज़्यादा cellulose. Plants and animals stored food are respectively. Plant first and animal next, respectively.
You missed one.
Starch and
Plant
glycogen.
is
Starch and glycogen.
and the animal is glycogen. So that's sequence.
missed one question, sir. 159.
159. Which of the following sugars is not found in plants?
Lactose.
Lactose.
Huh? Lactose.
Lactose, sir, it's milk protein.
Milk protein. Lactose is not present. Fructose is present there. Fructose is a fruit sugar, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, mistakes happen because sometimes now we try to solve it very quickly with a lot of excitement. In such a cases, what we will do, sometimes we skip the important points also. Even this key I have given wrong. Even I am also in excitation. I thought it is fructose just like you, but
No, sir. I told lactose only, sir.
okay, that is lactose. But while saying you got confusion, na? While giving the key, I also got confused. I have given it fructose in the paper, but immediately called him and later in the exam, just before 1 hour before exam, I told him this is not a key. Actual key is lactose. Here, kindly change the option. So even teacher get excited, students definitely will excited. No? That's what. So right then, in food, starch is detected by its
You missed two questions.
Blue black
color with
Sir, you
iodine.
missed two questions, sir.
Bluish black color.
with iodine reagent.
Sir, you missed two questions.
161 and 162 missed.
161.
161 and
The
162.
chemical formula of starch. Anyone?
C6H12O6.
C6H10O5 N.
A, sir.
See, whenever
Yes, sir.
see, this is a. Yeah, tell me. Somebody have raised the hand. I guess. Who is this? Aradhya something name. See, this is a glucose. C6H12O6. Let's say this is a sugar exhaust, right? When it combines with one more C6H12O6 to form a bond here, what happened from these two? Okay, H2O is removed here, right? So two hydrogen, C6 plus 6, 12, C12.
C12, H12, O11.
No, H12 plus 12, 20, 24, right?
H24,
We have remembered.
O12.
H22,
O11.
O11. This will be a formula O-N. One second. C12, H22. Okay, H11, H10. Okay, this can be 1 second.
There is no such option,
One
sir.
second, 1 second, just a moment.
There is no.
There is no option, na? Some mistake was happening. Let me check. That's fine, na? This is a water molecule. This is here. Both of them will share a bond here. Then it 20, no? No. So maybe very closer, that is A is taken into consideration at this point of time. Actually, there is no option exactly. Actually, we should not write it. Actually, if you want to write a formula here, C6 here, H10, 10 into 2, okay, 22, 20 and 10. No, this is not possible, I guess. So I think B, I think they have given a key, right, children?
No, sir. It is A.
They have given key A.
Yes, sir.
No, not even A, not even B, right? A is more possible rather than B because
C is also not possible, sir.
Sir, when we remove one H2O molecule, then
okay, one sugar molecule. Let's take one sugar molecule. Even you have to take one sugar molecule. In order to form a starch molecule, there is a bond formed between one glucose and another glucose, right? So this glucose loses hydrogen. Let's say this glucose loses a hydrogen, and oxygen is molecule is lost here from this area. So two hydrogen and total it is C6, that is C12, H12 and H12, 24 minus 2, H20,
22.
O6 and O6, 12 minus 1,
11.
11, O11. It should be the formula into N. So somewhere we have stuck it.
The starch is a form of polysaccharide, no sir. So polysaccharide general formula is C6 H10 5N O5N.
C10 5. One second. No, sorry. Wait. I'm also confused. See, देखो मेरे भी confusion नहीं है. Polysaccharide, yeah, chemical formula of a starch, that is polysaccharide, children. Sorry guys. Polysaccharide. We should not directly combine it and form a single molecule, right? In this, the general formula for them, when you just apply C6 H10 O5 into whole N, this is a formula actually. I forgot this one. So in this formula, the total number of monosaccharides, when you add it here, that we can multiply and form a bond. Actually, that is a polysaccharide which are joined together by a bond. We are not taking out water molecule here and calculating here, children. It is a generalized formula after removing the water molecule, as it is a multi units of monosaccharides here. Multi units of monosaccharide joined together here. So very close and very common answer that will be A can be taken, and A is considered 100% here, because we can't take C6 H12 O6. A water molecule has to be removed from here whole M. C6 H12 O6 in this minus 1. C6 H10 O5 whole N. So A is an answer. Sorry guys, even I got confused and carried away. So this is we have taken for a polysaccharide.
We can use division also, no sir.
Huh?
We can use division.
We can use
Division, no sir.
fusion.
Diffusion.
I'm not getting your word.
So we can use division in the formula, no sir.
See, listen, the answer is very simply available at this point of time. Why we put a lot of efforts in fusion and all these things? It's simple. This is a simple sugar. A common type of sugar is glucose, right? What is the formula?
C6 H12O6.
Okay, in this, in order to this glucose molecule undergo polymerization, right? It is going to form a big chain, right? So in this process, what they are losing from every glucose molecule, water molecule, they are losing by dehydration, right? So 2 hydrogen, when it is lost from this 12, that is C6 H10, and 1 oxygen, when it is lost from here, it become O5. And this type of molecules are arranged one over the other and form a long chain. We can call it a polysaccharide. It's simple. It's very simple. So answer is A. So 162 table sugar.
Sucrose.
Import starch is detected by its, I think this
bluish black
with
color.
iodine.
Bluish black color when tested with diazine green or iodine.
Blue black color with iodine actually, but here blue color is given, that we can take in it. Okay, we can take it. On hydrolysis, triglycerides yields
A glycerol and 3 fatty acids.
A glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Option A.
glycerol and 3 fatty acids. That's fine. Next, the 2 ends of strands of ribonucleotide are
Reducing end and non-reducing end.
what is this?
Sir, I think 5 and 3 ends.
5 and 3 and
Five.
5 and 3 ends.
sir.
Sir, it is C 5 and 3 ends, sir.
2 ends of strands of ribonucleotide are C beta C. This is an answer. Nucleotide part of RNA, ribonucleic acid, ribonucleotides. Okay, so RNA molecule is 5 and 3. Either DNA or RNA, they have 5 and 3 ends. RNA is preparing itself by copying the information of DNA from the nucleus and then take them outside. But the ends will be 5 and 3, children. So C can be taken as an answer. What is the key given in the paper?
Only, sir.
Hmm?
E
only, sir.
only.
Which one?
Option C, sir.
C was given, right?
Sir, 5 and 3 ends only, sir.
Okay, right then. See, then it is right. There is no problem in that then. The similarity between RNA and DNA is in their
Types of purines present.
yeah, that's right. It's
The constituents of backbone.
9 and 9.
Can even be constituents of backbone.
Option C, sir. Types of purines.
See, RNA have, okay, adenine is common in RNA and DNA also have adenine, right? Even guanine is also common here. Even cytosine is also common there. Okay, so we are talking about purines, so this is common here. Pyrimidines are not common, right? Thymine is replaced by uracil in RNA, right? So that's not wrong. Constituents of backbone, okay. The backbone, one second. Okay, constituents of backbone, phosphoric acid. It's a single-stranded molecule. Na? Generally, RNA is a single-stranded molecule, so we don't take that one. Actually, question is not much relevant, but the option very close to that is C is an answer. See, children, paper from Kota, so I cannot comment on that. But let me see it. I have to check it. Next time, I will take care that I will see the paper first and I will check it first. Let me check it because I'm not checking, because if I check it, it will not justify, children. So I may sometimes spill the beans in front of you very quickly before the exam itself. If I know, only I will touch only those points and I will teach here. That's why I'm not seeing the paper. Anyhow, it's okay. That's good. So majority, the answers, it is a similarity. Secondary structure is not common for RNA as well as DNA. Their structure is totally different from one to another. Okay. DNA is a three-dimensional structure, whereas RNA is a kind of secondary structure. So they are differing here. Okay, constituents of backbone. Backbone constituent wrong, hai na beta? 1 second, sorry, listen. Phosphoric acid and sugar, right? Sugar in RNA is ribose. Sugar in DNA is
Deoxyribose.
yeah. So differing, na? So this is differing. And types of pyrimidine, it is also differing here. Thymine is replaced by uracil here. So, so all these are differing here. Actually, RNA is a secondary structure, whereas DNA is a three-dimensional structure here, helical and three-dimensional structure. So A, B, and D cannot be taken into consideration. So C is answer 167. There is no doubt in that. 167 आपने solve किया है?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you explain
Yes,
167
DNA
question?
molecule contains
Okay, let's see.
29.
See, I was telling you that
29 bases,
question
but-
definitely will come.
Yes, sir, you said, sir.
A double-stranded DNA contain 20 adenine bases. Okay, means complete DNA. Double-stranded, whenever it is, you consider both of them as paired condition. Remember that. And 40 cytosine. 40 cytosine. Okay, what will be the number of hydrogen bonds? See, wow, my God, we are very close to this one. So how many 20 adenines means 20 adenine? Okay, 20 adenine means complementary to thymine, means thymine is also 20 here, right? And adenine 20 है, ये matter नहीं है. यहाँ पे matter क्या है?
Double bond.
20 into
Double bond is a magus.
20 into 2. 40 hydrogen bonds, number 1. Okay. And how many cytosine?
120 bonds.
Cytosine is complementary paired with
40 into 3.
guanine. So this is 40. Of course, it is also 40. This 40 and 40 is not a matter here. Matter is this two. So 40 into
Sir, the answer is B, sir, in key.
hmm?
Sir,
120.
B,
120
the
plus,
answer is
120 plus 40 is equal to
160.
160.
B. Answer
B.
Bombay. B for Bombay. Okay. Means my guess is working very well now, right? Very good. So I will guess some more questions then. Which of the following releases greatest amount of energy? Who will
Nucleic acid.
release great amount of energy? Who will release great amount of energy?
Lipids.
Lipids will release, not carbohydrates. See, carbohydrates are instant source of energy. Instant means लाओ, okay, झट मंगनी फट ब्याह बोलते हैं. मतलब आज लड़का देखा, अगले दिन शादी कर दिया. The same like this. So you got. Similarly, you take the food, it is used by the cells. If the cell needs 80 calories today, okay, but you have taken 200 here, so 80 is immediately used and 120 is sent for
120 is stored.
storage. Okay, so this is stored in liver in the form of glycogen as we studied already, right? But whereas lipids are
Yes, sir, we studied.
storage form, always they directly go to storage here. They directly go to storage. So when all the energy sources are utilized by the body, then lipids will be utilized again, right? Got it, children? From here, energy can be extracted. So because one less oxygen has caused reduction in the amount of energy, reduction in the utilization, so that they go for a storage purpose. They store large amount of energy here. There, okay? So lipids can be taken into consideration. So 168. 169, which of the following is absent in nucleotides of RNA?
Thymine.
Thiamine nahi, thymine.
Thymine.
Confusion. Thiamine is nothing but vitamin B1. Thymine. This is
RNA.
nitrogen base. This is nitrogen base of kiski? DNA, not RNA.
DNA.
DNA. Okay. And what type of nitrogen base it is? Pyrimidine. Pyrimidine. So these major difference kindly keep in mind. Definitely you will get one question from my end at any cost. मैं छोटी spellings में confuse करने वाला बंदा हूँ, तो I will do that. So be careful little bit. Okay. Next. The number of carbon in oleic acid.
18.
18.
18, sir.
18, sir.
18 including carboxyl. So this time the question is including. Next time if we say excluding, then what will be the number? 70. If next time if the question is instead of including carboxyl group number of carbon atom पूछे, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Excluding means you have to remove one carbon from here which is a part of carboxyl. So total number will be 17 then. Include होगी तो 18, exclude होगी तो 17. Remember that. What is major function of PUFA? देखो short form आ गया.
All of this.
All of this, lowering of cholesterol,
Lowering of cholesterol level.
atherosclerosis, supply of essential fatty acid. That's good. Next, 2 columns, nucleoside.
B.
Wow. See, this is my guess question again.
170 is B, sir.
Cytosine and cytidine.
Hundred and 71 D, sir.
Right? Adenosine, adenine.
Guanine, guanosine.
Cytosine is No, that is nitrogen base, na? So A is wrong option. Which is the
B
correct one? No? We
is
have
wrong,
to
sir. C is wrong. D is guanine, guanosine.
Yeah, B is an answer, right?
Yes, sir. D is the answer.
B for Bombay.
No, D for duck. Delhi.
No, sir. B is answer. B for Bombay is the answer.
B for Bombay answer, boss.
Yes, sir.
See, nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine. Okay, thymine.
Sir, 172 or 171. The answer is 171 is D for Delhi.
See here, nuclear. And what is the nucleosides? Nitrogen base plus sugar, right? We call it a adenosine. See, guanine, guanosine. Okay, cytidine, thymidine.
Thymine.
Okay, uridine. Now you tell me. This is nucleoside, not nucleotide, nucleoside. क्या साइड हो गई? फॉस्फोरिक एसिड साइड हो गई. तो क्या सही है? देखिए, नाइट्रोजन बेस एडेनाइन इज राइट. Nitrogen based adenine is right, and adenosine nucleoside is right there. See, and cytosine. Cytosine is written in nucleoside here. This is written here. So A is wrong. Then you are telling about D, na? Guanine. Guanine is nitrogen base, which is written in nucleoside. Check it out. So answer is B, children, not Delhi.
Sir, in keys, it is in D, sir, in keys.
Huh?
In D, in keys. Answer D is there.
See, in the key, what is answer? You have to tell me, children. If it is wrong, then tell me, na? I will rectify it. What is the answer in key?
D.
B, sir.
Option B.
sir.
See, don't get confused here. You tell me if you have raised a doubt. I will tell them. I will put the answer there. If it is right, then it's okay, na? Okay, I will mention it. Question number 172, na? Okay, 172. I'll send you a message.
171, sir.
No, sir. The key is correct, sir.
Yes, sir, key is correct.
Key is
Key is
option B
correct
only.
only, sir.
It's okay. I
It is
will send
correct,
a message. If it is correct, no problem at all. If it is not correct, they will rectify it, right, na?
Oh, I'm confused. 171, 172. B for Bangalore.
So you are asking the question. You are okay now.
Continue, sir.
Okay, 173. Lecithin is
Phospholipid.
phospholipids. D is an answer. Key में correction दिए या नहीं है ये आपको मुझे बताना. If key has a wrong any options, you have to inform me, children, so that I can make a correction. Based on the nature of R group, there are many amino acids. If R group is in a proteinaceous amino acid, has extra OH group, then
Alanine.
Serine.
Alanine.
serine
Serine.
and
Serine.
threonine as alcohol, threonine. See, आपको मैं
Sir, 173 D.
use your brain, children. See, CH, R, okay, H2N and COH, right? If this R has an extra OH group present in this hydrocarbon, OH group represents alcohol.
Alcoholic.
Alcoholic amino acids include S and T. S represents serine, T represents threonine. So next time, so मेरी अपनी पेपर में अमाइनो एसिड्स में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस दूंगा बेटा, मैं अभी बता रहा हूँ आपको. You will get many questions now. You are taking it leniently, so I will give more questions now. I'm preparing today itself. So we will have one session for you. Okay, I will be sharing you one link very soon. I'll inform you on your class. हमारे क्लास में एक 45 मिनट्स का है, तो 45 मिनट्स का टाइम हम लोग क्लास में ही शेयर करूंगा, आप लोग बैठ के तुरंत क्वेश्चन करेंगे, राइट? क्या बोलते हैं?
Okay, sir.
That's fine, right? So 175, 174, the answer is serine children. See, 175, find the odd one out from the following: methionine, aspartic acid, cysteine, tyrosine.
Methionine.
Why? That's right. A is the right answer. Why?
Because it is essential, sir.
Essential. Very
Sir,
good.
methionine is essential where all others are non-essential amino acids.
Yeah, that's fine. A is an answer, and that is right too. What you said is right. That is A. Methionine is essential amino acid. 176 dash is a derived monosaccharide. Deoxyribose. I told you. Deoxyribose. Okay, deoxy sugars. I told you. Derived monosaccharide. Deoxy sugars. Okay, base the amino sugars, sugar acids, sugar alcohols. Mannitol is the best example for mannitol is sugar alcohol. Similarly, okay, sugar acids, ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. So this is the best example for acid. Okay, sugar acids. When sugar is combined
Sir, ascorbic acid means amla.
Huh?
Ascorbic acid means amla.
Vitamin C. See, children, I'm just giving you, if you did not remember, I'm telling you now that monosaccharide, when they are conjugated with, okay, or when they are shared by a functional groups or any groups here, any extra groups. Any extra group, the extra groups here. So monosaccharide, that is glucose, that is nothing but sugar, we call it as sugar, when combined with an oxides and deoxides. Oxides or deoxides. Okay, one oxygen is more, one oxygen is less here. When oxygen is less in that sugar which has, okay, deoxyribose, right? Deoxyribose is a part of 5-carbon sugar or glucose, a molecule of glucose or sugar, which has one less oxygen in the sugar there. It is a derived sugar. Oxide, it is ribose sugar. Ribose sugar normal hai, this is 5-carbon sugar. Okay, whereas here one oxygen is reduced here, it become a derived monosaccharide here. We call it as sugar oxides. We call it as sugar oxides. Right? Similarly, sugar plus alcohol. Okay, alcoholic sugar. Alcoholic sugar. Mannitol is the best example. Alcohol, mannitol is the best example.
Sir, which question, sir?
Huh?
Question number. Which question?
Question number 176. I'm adding some points for you there.
Yes, sir. 176. Okay,
Sugar
sir.
plus alcoholic sugar, mannitol. This is also a kind of monosaccharide, but they have extra alcoholic group there. That's all. And sugar, if they have amines, okay, amino sugars, we call them as amino sugars. Glucosamine is the best example. We have seen the repeated units of N-acetyl glucosamine, which is a residue, a derived monosaccharide residue present in chitin polysaccharide. Glucosamine is the best example. Glucosamine. In this glucose, amine is added there. So amino sugar, a best example for this. Similarly, sugar when combines with acid, we call them as sugar acids. We call them as sugar acids. What are these sugar acids? One example, ascorbic acid. We can also say glucuronic acid. Glucuronic acid is also an example for this one. All these are glucose and uronic acid, and acid part is added with glucose here. So obviously sugar, it is also derived monosaccharides. I'm just adding you some more points. Tomorrow, based on this point, you get a question, then you will not face any difficulty. That's why I'm adding. So that's why paper discussion will be there always. Remember, peptidoglycan is made up of. Peptidoglycan is made up of.
N-acetyl glucosamine
Is an
and
answer.
See?
N-acetyl
Glucosamine
muramic
and
acid.
N-acetyl muramic acid. Right? And 178 monosaccharides are composed of.
3 to 7 carbon
3
atoms.
to 7 carbon atoms.
Very good. Which of the following
Excuse me,
statement
sir.
is false regarding protein?
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm?
Can you once show the last slide?
So 178B.
Which one?
178
178?
B.
No. B for Bombay.
Yes, sir. B for Bangalore.
Yeah. Okay. Bombay, Bangalore एक ही तो है.
Monosaccharides are composed of 3 to 7 carbon atoms.
Yeah. That's what. That's fine. 179. I'm asking about 179.
Okay, sir. 179. Sir, D. D for Delhi.
D for Delhi. The first amino acid in the polypeptide chain is called C. That is wrong. It is N-terminal, right? And the last amino acid is called as C-terminal, which is written reverse here. That is D. So 179 is the incorrect option here. 180. Tick mark the incorrect statement about adult human hemoglobin. Can you tell me what is the right wrong one?
It is a simple
D.
protein, has only amino acid.
Amino acids is a wrong statement. Rest all the things are right, I think, right? So you have very less questions from nucleic acid. Remember, children, this time, maybe they have identified that this is a last topic. Maybe syllabus may be somewhat little bit less pending. They're more pending, so they might not covered it this time. But in our exam in LPT, the next week coming on next Sunday, you are going to have many questions from nucleic acids, remember, and you will be having, no question will be repeated. Let me give you the word, children. No question that is appeared until now will not be repeated. There will be, every question is a new question for you, and get ready for one test within very short period of time. 179, 180, Dokla, I'm hungry. अरे यार आप लोग ना चैटिंग आपस में बंद करो यार. आप लोग की वजह से ना मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती है. I'm getting every time a problem. Whenever the management sees that, okay, sir, who is talking there, then I'm facing a difficulty every time, children, remember. So I don't want all these things, children. आप लोग की वजह से मुझे, I don't want a bad name on me. Say I never had this type of problems anytime. So be careful, all of you, please, children. So message to host only. Anyone? Rishikesh, Shishir, so stop talking all this nonsense among between you. Okay, friendly कभी भी, लेकिन
Yes,
class
sir.
की chat पे discuss ऐसे बेकार chat करोगे, so other students will also start doing it and class will be a nuisance later. Remember that. So I request you, see children, मैं आप लोग से friendly बात कर रहा हूँ, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है you can take me as a lenient. Granted नहीं. Okay, I am the very strict person. Until now in my institute, nobody dare to speak to me, even the management, because I have my rules and regulations. I follow it very strictly. I am friendly because you are students of new batch, so you must feel that very comfortable here. That's why I'm talking to you very, very politely here. So, generally, I don't. Okay. So, and you are doing it well, and you are obeying, you are responding very nicely. Okay. So that is the reason why I'm talking to you very, very friendly. You are doing it well, you respond nicely, and you people are doing it very fine in the classrooms, right? So that is why I have given you all the freedom here. Okay, children? Don't exploit the teacher, so that life में freedom ज़्यादा exploit करेंगे तो क्या होगा last में? वो भी चले जाएगी हाथ से. Remember that. So be careful little bit, dear students. So okay. So don't allow me to do all these things. I don't want to do even. मुझे ना बाकी चीजें में नहीं इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, मेरे सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? वी हैव अ डाउट देयर. 172 ना?
Yes, sir. 172B.
I will send a message. If that is the same answer, nothing happens. Okay. So get ready for, so I'm sharing you one more slide of DNA to you, all the people in the group. Kindly write those information. And next in the class on Thursday, we are going to discuss the RNA part. Then later we go to enzymes. Right, children?
Then after chapter will be finished.
So I try my best to conclude it. I'm preparing the slides early so that our work can be done easily. That's what. Thanks a lot. Any doubts? Kindly share the message in the group there. So I'll respond to you there. Don't worry.
Yes,
right,
sir.
children? Thanks a lot. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Well, shall we